not working. There's my ghost. The lights are pumpkins. See, the green and blue and purple and blue. What?
Okay, so these are the 8 pumpkins all lined up in a row. At the moment they're basically doing the LED flicker code, though they may randomly click into something else soon. If we look closely into the pumpkin, again my helpful assistant Nicholas, so there is a satellite module which I got from Macetech. So we have 8 of these modules, 1 for each pumpkin, and then the pumpkins, each individual module is wired. You can see the brown wire here. This is thermostat wire that I got from Home Depot, and the 8 wires run up to the anonymous black box up in the corner. Anonymous black box contains 1 Arduino Dustamila Nova and then 8 of the shift bar modules, also from Macetech, and the entire thing is being run by a 12 volt 5 amp supply that I got from Adafruit, and stuck in a anonymous Radio Shack enclosure box. It's been rained on fairly heavily and it's all survived nicely, which is good.